आज हामी दैनिक प्रयोगमा बोल्नुपर्ने केही अंग्रेजी क्लोथ शपिङ सेन्टेन्सेस सिक्ने छौं। के म तपाईलाई केही फेला पार्न मद्दत गर्न सक्छु? Can I help you find something? Can I help you find something? तपाई कस्तो आकारको खोज्दै हुनुहुन्छ? What size are you looking for? What size are you looking for? के तपाईसँग यो फरक रङमा छ? Do you have this in a different color? Do you have this in a different color? यसको कति पर्छ? How much does this cost? How much does this cost? के म यो प्रयास गर्न सक्छु? Can I try this on? Can I try this on? के तपाईसँग फिटिङ कोठा छ? Do you have a fitting room? Do you have a fitting room? यो मलाई पूर्ण रूपमा फिट हुन्छ. This fits me perfectly. This fits me perfectly. यो धेरै ढिला छ. This is too loose. This is too loose. मलाई रङ मन पर्दैन. I don't like this color. I don't like this color. के तपाईसँग पनि यस्तै केही छ? Do you have anything similar to this? Do you have anything similar to this? म औपचारिक केही खोज्दै छु. I am looking for something formal. I am looking for something formal. म कपास, सिल्क, उनमा केही खोज्दै छु. I am looking for something in cotton, silk, wool. I am looking for something in cotton, silk, wool. म केही आरामदायक, स्टाइलिश खोज्दै छु. I am looking for something comfortable, stylish. I am looking for something comfortable, stylish. म हिप भएको केही खोज्दै छु. I am looking for something that hip. I am looking for something that hip. म रमाइलो कुरा खोज्दै छु. I am looking for something that's funky. I am looking for something that's funky. म फेसनदार कुरा खोज्दै छु. I am looking for something that's trendy. I am looking for something that's trendy. म वाटरप्रुफ भएको चीज खोज्दै छु. I am looking for something that's waterproof. I am looking for something that's waterproof. म हल्का वजनको चीज खोज्दै छु. I am looking for something that's lightweight. I am looking for something that's lightweight. अंग्रेजी सिक्नको लागि भिडियोलाई फलो, लाइक, शेयर एन्ड सब्स्क्राइब गर्नुहोला.